Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Pet Plus for wonderful encounters between animals and people and happy daily life. Pet Plus is a nationwide pet store with 3 pillars of safety, cleanliness, and kindness. All staff members are close to pets and their owners as happy delivery people and do their best to support them from encounter to subsequent life. For owners who welcome dogs and cats, we provide explanations on how to keep them by Pet Plus happy delivery people and provide counseling as mentioned above. However, in the process of actually welcoming them and living with them, anxiety and unexpected problems associated with breeding occurred, and it was unavoidable that it became difficult to live with dogs and cats. The trial system is a system that prepares for such just in case. It can be used if it is. Determine that it is difficult to live with them during the 5 days after pickup. If it is determined that it is difficult to live together, we will take in the dog or cat eligible for the trial with Pet Plus and refund the total amount stated in the trial pledge. In addition, a flat rate of 55,000 yen tax included will be charged as a trial fee. Please like, share, and subscribe. We at Pet Plus hope for the happiness of dogs and cats and their owners, and will continue to carry out various initiatives to realize a happy symbiotic society between animals and humans. Plus, Safe Life is a security system that alleviates the grief of family members in the event of an emergency. In the unlikely event that a person dies from an illness or is diagnosed with feline infectious peritonitis (FIP), this is a system that allows you to refund the cost of living or provide a replacement dog or cat. You can receive compensation by paying the prescribed fee at the time of closing. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Why do I need discipline? I think training is to teach dogs the rules so that they can coexist comfortably and happily in human society. Dogs are with human children, and there are many things you don't know at first. Sweet biting, barking, pranks, etc. sometimes cause trouble for your family. By training your family when you go out with your family, such as for walks, dog runs, dog cafes, etc., you can protect the safety of your family, your dog, and the people around you under any circumstances. In order to have a safe and enjoyable time, let's learn how to train your dog and your family together so that they can build a relationship that understands each other and live a happy symbiotic life. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.